Hello, my name is Kseny, and I would like to invite you to join me as we begin the 30-day practice together. A journey designed to bring light, energy, and balance into your life. Each day, I will guide you through a short, accessible practice to help you feel more grounded, energized, and connected. From releasing tension to boosting vitality, this journey is your daily dose of wellness. Begin your journey today, sign up now, and make 2026 your brightest year yet.